that lights the fires. Got a rhythm in my bones, and it's taking me high.
Just landed in Puerto Maldonado, and we are going to our hotel Inkaterra. But the thing is, you can only bring 10 kilos per person. So for us, 50 kilos. So we had to leave most of our other luggage, and they store it at the port. And we're gonna take a canoe now for 25 minutes to Inkaterra. You basically have a cabana, which is in the middle of the jungle. You hear the sounds of the animals at night, and you're really in the middle of it. It's awesome.
It's nice here that there's so much nets that you don't have to be worried about mosquitoes or bugs or animals, because it's all sealed up, but you can still look outside at the same time. There's monkeys crawling here, but you don't have to be scared because they won't come in and attack and steal all your stuff.
When you come to Inkaterra, you don't necessarily have to arrange anything beforehand. They will create a program with different activities, different tours that you basically do in your stay. So for instance, there's like a night trek through the jungle that's surrounding the resort, where you can see like spiders, porcupines, scorpions, things like that. There's also on the river at night where you can try to see caimans. And of course during the day, you hike around a lot, take boat tours. There's a canopy walk, which is really cool. And just different things around the jungle, trying to spot as many animals as you can. So this is the lobby and the restaurant area in Inkaterra. They basically serve 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and it is all inclusive. So full board, and the dishes are really nice. The menu is the same though, across the days. But for instance, on our last night, they brought us out a really big fish that they caught, which is really nice because we stayed for 4 nights. So they said, we'll bring you a special. It was really cool. It was really big, tasty fish. So what you hear behind me are howling monkeys, and they are loud. You actually hear them at night when you're sleeping and you think it must be a jaguar or something, but they're actually just monkeys. And as you can hear, they're so loud. And they're basically moving groups, and they just simply howl at each other, it seems. Wow! Oh my God! Did you get that? Yeah. All of it. Hello. So we're gonna go canoeing in Lake Sandoval. You have to hike about 3 kilometers to get there. It's quite a nice hike. And you can see some deer. We saw deer and some other animals, monkeys again, some birds. Quite nice. And now we're gonna go canoeing. I got it in frame. Daddy, you see the one with his head? There, he's there now. Yeah,